Trinity Baseball 17. Trace Jackson Davis. All right, so Josue Brasino, so 5 of 25. The J Spot Black Shark. Oh, Adele Amador 49. The A Spot Colin. Oh, first auto Landon Raup, so cleared in 99. So the L Spot Colin. Ooh, Trey Savage. Oh, Blue Jays color match. It's a steal for the T Spot Colin. This stuff's been going crazy. So 5 of 10. Little Zebby Matthews, the Green Ice Steel. The Z Spot Colin. That's 2 of 5. Ooh, Deson Hill. It's 90-99 clear. The D Spot Jose. So Luke Dickerson. It's 30-99. That's 3-color patch. Whew, that's a nice one. Nice little patch of auto for the L Spot Black Shark. Ooh, couple Red Sox. Dual auto Roman Anthony Christian Campbell. So 1 of 25. K and R. Colin taking it down. No random necessary. No, we have not had a single bad box of Trinity Baseball. Ah, stuff is a fire. Value town. Young blue. Let's go, fellas. Well, Trinity 17, 18 is up.